Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can transfer files from phone to SD card on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your file manager on your Android phone, and after that, you can select internal storage since we want to move file from internal storage to SD card, and select the file that you want to transfer. And for example, I'm going to transfer a file from this download folder, and I'm going to select this one. So just tap and hold on the file that you want to transfer, and you can transfer multiple files. You just need to tap on the circle like this to select multiple files. Okay, and after you are done selecting the file, you can click on move right here. But if you want to copy, you just need to click on copy, and I'm going to move it. So click on move. Then we can go to our SD card. So we can go back to the preview section and we can click on SD card right here. And for example, I'm going to transfer the file to this download folder. So just tap on download folder. Then we can click on move here. Okay guys, and that's how we can transfer files from phone to SD card. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.